to Play CCN, which is brought to you by Temperzone. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi. Johnson Controls Chair and CEO, George Oliver, has announced plans to step down. He said the company has made substantial progress on its portfolio transformation, and now is the time to initiate the CEO's succession plan. The Johnson Controls board has begun the search for a new CEO with the help of an executive search firm to evaluate both internal and external candidates. He will continue to serve as Chair and CEO until a succession is named. George Oliver has been in that role since 2017. He will also remain as board chair once the new CEO is named to allow for a smooth management transition. LG has inked a deal with Raya Electric to manufacture LG branded air conditioners in Egypt. These are residential air conditioners. It's the first time in the Middle East and Africa that Raya Electric has provided a manufacturing as a service business model. More than 60% of the parts used in the air conditioners will be sourced locally. Raya has invested more than US $7.2 million to build its capabilities in manufacturing and R&D. The factory will initially produce 30,000 units per annum. LG said the goal is to reach 100,000 units per year within the next 3 years to meet growing demand in the Egyptian market. And finally, Airedale by Modine has announced the US launch of its optimizer cooling system. The optimizer was first launched in Europe in 2022. Demand for the optimizer has grown as data centers adopt larger and more complex cooling systems. The optimizer is programmed to unify indoor and outdoor cooling equipment and to proactively manage resilience, redundancy, and energy use. Delivery of the optimizer systems in the US will be managed by a new dedicated controls team. Airedale Controls Director Rhys Thomas said the US is an incredibly important market for the company. He said the dedicated controls team in the US will be able to provide high levels of support locally for customers. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Temperzone. Thank you for watching.